10 years ago, I couldn't say one full sentence in English. People laughed at me. But today, I speak to patients, lead surgeries, and work as a doctor in English. Let me tell you how I made it. My name is Santos. I was born in a small village in Africa. We spoke only our local language. I didn't know English, not even the alphabet. But I had one big dream. I wanted to become a doctor. When I was 12, my mother got sick. We took her to a hospital. The doctor spoke English. I didn't understand anything he said, and I felt so helpless. That day, I made a promise. One day I will speak English. One day I will become a doctor. I started with simple words. Hello. Thank you. Water. Then I watched English videos. I listened every day, even if I didn't understand. Some days I cried. Some days I wanted to quit. But I remembered my dream. I practiced every morning before school. I wrote one sentence every night before bed. Slowly I improved. People started to notice. Your English is getting better, my teacher said. I passed my exams. I got a scholarship to study medicine in a city where classes were in English. It was hard. Very hard. But I never gave up. Today, I work in a hospital. I speak to patients from all over the world. And every time I put on my white coat, I remember the promise I made. The promise to learn English and change my life. If I could do it, so can you. Learning English can open big doors. Never stop. Keep going. Your dream is waiting for you. Star.